So last week I was asked a question by someone inquiring about our IV NAD program, and they asked me if I was certified. And that's the first time I've ever heard of this before. I've been doing this IV NAD treatments for about 8 years now. I spent a couple of days with Dr. Hitt at his clinic in Mexico and got a lot of ideas from him. And as far as I know, there's no certification. There's been actually 3 conferences, IV NAD conferences, 2 on the East Coast and 1 on the West Coast in San Diego, which I attended. There was never any mention about certification. There is no board, no certification board for IV NAD. So I suppose it's probably just a sort of a marketing ploy of someone running a clinic and wanting to say they're certified and they should be finding somebody else that is certified, but there is no such thing. So if you're investigating IV NAD, I suggest calling around to different clinics and asking a few questions, like how long you've been doing IV NAD, what other therapies do you offer besides NAD, and if they do any purification therapies to promote the optimal benefits of IV NAD. But maybe the last question to ask them is, how does NAD work? And if they don't mention anything about cellular detoxification through improving mitochondrial function, then they may not know that much about the effects or how IV NAD is beneficial for drug detox. So you can, if you want, you can give our clinic a call. Here's the website. When you're calling around, use your instincts and common sense as to whether you can trust the person you're speaking with. So give us a call, go to our site, download our free 60-page eBook, and give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you.